The Supreme Court on Wednesday ruled in favor of the non-union workers in a case that a lot of people believe could have a huge impact on the influence of public sector unions. What do you think the impact of the decision will be?
This decision is very significant, and it will certainly weaken unions, and let's face it, it's ultimately going to impact the Democratic Party. Now, you know what's interesting? About 40% of union member households vote Republican, but an overwhelming percentage of the political contributions go to Democratic candidates. I don't know the exact percentage, but it's really high, like 80-90% of union money and contribution is going towards Democrats. So, yes, that's why you're seeing people on the left really going crazy. But to me, this is about freedom. I don't think people should have to be forced to be part of a union, and to have to pay dues that are used for things that they don't believe in. Now, I understand the other side of this argument, because you could say, well, listen, non-union members will get a benefit for what the union may do for them, and they're not paying any dues into that. So in these public sector labor unions, if the union negotiates a great deal, well, then those members and non-members are going to get benefit, but only the members are paying for it. So I look at this another way. How about this? Let's say you're pro-choice and you belong to a union that was going to be supporting pro-life causes. And your belief is I don't want the money I pay to go towards that group or those groups of people. And even if you're going to benefit from it somehow. So if it's really against your core belief, if you're a Republican and you're paying dues to a union that is supporting only Democratic candidates, it doesn't make sense. So the bottom line here is that this is going to have significant political impact, and that's why it's a really big issue. But to me, this is about individual choice and about freedom. It shouldn't be about politics. The politics of this is really just a byproduct, but that's why everybody's going berserk.